Hey guys, Mr. B here, bringing you another video. This time, this video is on finding the equation of a line if you're given 2 points. So I made another video on how to use the slope formula. So if you're not familiar with the slope formula, you might want to go back and look at that one. So in order to find an equation of a line, we need two things. We need to find the slope, and we need to find the Y-intercept. So if you're not familiar with this form is called slope-intercept form. So it's generally what's the most common form of a line. Now there are other ones, general form, not as common, and slope point form, which actually is probably the simplest way to write the equation of a line. But anyway, we're going to use slope-intercept form, and really what you need to be able to do is find slope and y-intercept. So let's do an example. So find the equation of a line through the points 2, 3, and negative 3, 5. So the first thing we're going to do is going to find the slope of this line given the 2 points. So we'll use the slope formula. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And subtract the two y values, so I'll label this here x1, y1, x2, y2. Again, it doesn't matter what order you have it in terms of which one's point 1, which one's point 2. Actually, it would be simpler if this was point... no, actually it wouldn't be, but anyway, it doesn't really matter, whatever you prefer. So y2 is 5, subtract y1 is 3, all over, and x2 is negative 3, subtract x1 is 2, so you end up with 2 over negative 5, so I'm just going to throw the negative out front there. So negative 2 over 5, so that's my slope. Now we need to find the y-intercept. So what I do after I found my slope is I'll write out what I have so far. Y is equal to negative 2 over 5 x plus b. So I need to find that guy. So in order to isolate that b, I need to find an x and a y. Well, I'm already given 2 points on a line, so I can use this guy. So I can use that to find my b value. So my y is 3 and my x is 2. So I'm running out of space here. So I have 3 is equal to negative 2 over 5, x is 2, plus b. So I end up with 3 is equal to negative 4 over 5 plus b, where b is equal to 3 plus 4 over 5, which is going to be 19 over 5. So now I need to write my final statement out, my final equation out. So I'll just erase this b value here, and I'm going to put in my 18 over 5. I wouldn't do that normally, I just don't have the space. And there's my equation of my line right there. So it's not pretty, but it is what it is. So I have a y-intercept of 19 over 5 and a slope of negative 2 over 5. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you do it. When you're given 2 points, how to find the equation of a line. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. I'll see you in class.